All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I am in the house with these two bad boys. I got a Sebenza 31 large and a Sebenza large 25 right over here for a quick comparison review. But as usual, please don't forget or remember to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, because these are two pretty cool Sebenza right here. You have 6 years apart, 25 and 31, right? 6 years between these two guys. This resembles a little bit more the Incosi, and this is more similar to the 21 if we want. But there are some similarities, of course, in between these two guys. So, of course, carbon fiber inlays on titanium scales. You get a drop point blade. In both cases, you get 2 grooves instead of 1. So, I mean, 2. But still, you have a little bit more access to the lock bar right there, a little bit less than that, 1 inlay over here and 2 on the 25. You get also an oversized pivot going on the 25. The stop pin also, I believe, is a little bit thicker. I might be dreaming, but definitely I'm not dreaming when I say that the 25 has a standoff that is also able to allocate the lanyard, whereas on the 31 you need to go through this lanyard pinhole right over here. Blue anodized. Also the standoff is blue anodized, whereas just like raw in the 25. You get a different finish for the flats. You get a glass bead blasted and satin for the older one. The thumb stud, of course, is just like the anodization wore off. It would be like blue at the same time, the same way, sorry. The Chris Reeve logo is smaller in the Chris Reeve, in the large 31, sorry, because of the inlay just not allowing for that much space. On the show side, you just have just a little bit cleaner look for the 31 because of the 1 inlay, and on the back, bigger, longer inlay for the 31. You get an angled pocket clip for the 31, and pretty much we are in the same boat, not much different. You have a little bit of a difference in the lanyard cut-out relief, a little bit wider on the 25. They are both sporting a ceramic detent ball, so there's no carbidized lock face right there. The washers have a little bit of a different approach, because here you see the washer is keyed in, whereas here is not. They have asymmetrical, not identical washer in both cases. Definitely the 25 is going to be much more rare, because probably 100, less than 100 were made of these. Like, I wouldn't be surprised. The 31 is a little bit more popular, but still on the rarer side. So let's see the weight of these two fellas. They both are sporting some pretty cool crowned blades, but another difference is going to be the thickness. This stock is 3.5 millimeter on the 25. The 31 is sporting a 3 millimeter stock, so a little bit thinner, more slicey. And you get 138.7 grams on the 25, and the 31 is going to be 126.3 grams, so a little bit lighter in the pocket. But I mean, you cannot really go wrong with any of these two beauties, because I mean, classic 25, 31, I mean, you can't really go wrong. These are both amazing. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.